galvanised skid, ideal for sitting in the back of your van or whatever without the trolley. The skid's all rubber mounted, double two plates rubber bonded together with the anti-vibration mounts. Okay, so this machine's a 21 litre machine, so it's set up just to feed itself from a tank. Let's get her going here. So everything is quick release. So this is your suction hose, that's your return hose, that's your high pressure hose, it's just your particle filter, just put it into your bucket of water. Okay, this is your bleed valve, so once you get a steady flow of water coming out here, you just close this. Everything's quick release, so it's very handy to finish up for the day. That's it, Honda GX390, galvanised base plate. Don't burn your hand on the exhaust. See there, four rubber feet, and the two base plates are held together with four rubber anti-vibration mounts, so it just helps dissipate any of the vibration. Okay.